In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a proposal in HoneyBook. Now, sending a proposal can be a key part of client communication when you're running your project through HoneyBook, and I'm here to guide you through the process to ensure it is seamless and effective. First, before you send off any proposal, it's crucial to click on the preview button. This step allows you to review all the details in your proposal to make sure everything is just right. It's a good moment to double check that client information, project specifics, and any attached files or images are accurately placed and properly formatted. This step is your opportunity to see the proposal as your client will, which is incredibly useful to catch any small details that may be overlooked. Once your proposal looks exactly how you want it, it's time to send it. To do this, you'll head over to the top right corner of the screen and hit the send button. This action initiates the process of getting your proposal into the hands of your client, either on their desktop or mobile device. It's worth noting that HoneyBook is designed to streamline these communications, making them as professional and impressive as possible. At this point, HoneyBook provides you with a couple of options for sending your proposal. You can choose to send an email link to your client. This method sends a clean and direct email, which includes a link your client can click to access the proposal. It tends to be quite intuitive, offering clients a straightforward way to look over what you've put together. Alternatively, if you find direct communication more appropriate for the project or client you're working with, you can choose to share the proposal directly from the project. This method is particularly handy when you want to maintain communication within the platform and perhaps wish to keep everything centralized within the project interface on HoneyBook. You might find this preferable for projects that require more frequent updates or back and forths with the client. Each of these methods has its own benefits, and your choice will depend largely on your client's preferences and the specifics of your project work style. Remember, the goal here is to make the proposal one that your client will not only view, but also enjoy engaging with, thus moving you both towards successful collaboration. All right, there we have it, a simple and effective way to send a proposal using HoneyBook. Remember, attention to detail and choosing the right communication approach are key to impressing and engaging your clients effectively. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your proposal.